Are you tired of your Escort radar detector falling off your windshield? You're not alone. This video addresses why Escort radar detector mounts, particularly those using suction cups or adhesives, frequently fail. The main issues are material fatigue, suction cups losing elasticity, and adhesives degrading from UV exposure, heat, and vibrations. Learn about the physics behind mount failures, shear strength versus inertial forces. Understand that off-the-shelf mounts are often designed for short-term use, not long-term reliability, leading to frustrating and potentially dangerous situations. Escort, a brand under Escort Inc., has been actively working to address the mounting issues with their radar detectors. In late 2025, Escort released firmware updates for models like the Max 3 and Passport 12. These updates include improved mount calibration features that help detect and alert users to weak suction. However, Escort has not issued a formal recall for all models, unlike the partial recall of certain Max 2 units in 2023. While newer models have seen a decrease in failures of around 20%, older units still experience detachment rates of 10 to 15% annually among active users. Escort now often recommends third-party fixes, acknowledging the limitations of their original mounts and the need for stronger mounting solutions. Suction cups create a vacuum seal through elastic deformation, while adhesives like VHB tape rely on pressure-sensitive bonding. Upgrading to stronger materials is the first step in fixing your Escort radar detector mount. Replace standard suction cups with silicone ones rated for higher pull strength, typically 50 pounds or more. For a more permanent solution, use epoxy adhesives. Apply a small amount to the mount base and windshield surface, allowing it to cure for 24 hours before use. This creates a strong bond resistant to vibrations. Escort's winter care advisory addresses icy conditions. Clean the windshield thoroughly, use de-icing products carefully, and avoid extreme temperature changes that weaken suction. Always test your mount before driving. Apply lateral force by pulling sideways to ensure it holds securely. This prevents detachment during high-speed travel. If suction cups and adhesives aren't cutting it, it's time to explore alternatives. Learn about the rising popularity of aftermarket suction enhancers like grip-tight products and magnetic mounts, driven by online communities seeking reliable solutions. This section helps you choose the best mounting option for your specific vehicle and driving conditions. Let's examine a real-world example from 2024. A driver reported their Escort Max 3 mount failing mid-highway due to icy winter conditions. The detector detached and obscured their visibility, creating a dangerous situation. The user resolved the issue with a simple $10 suction cup upgrade and VHB tape, restoring reliability for over 6 months. A 2025 Consumer Reports survey of 500 Escort owners found that 12% experienced mount failures within the first year, often during rainy commutes. One Florida driver retrofitted their Passport with a drilled mount, achieving 0 failures over 8 months. However, this may void the warranty. Automotive engineering experts consider radar detector mount detachment a fundamental design flaw that attempts to balance portability with security. The mounts need to be easily removable, but also withstand vehicle vibrations and sudden movements. According to a National Highway Traffic Safety Administration-backed survey, 8% of radar detector-related driver distractions result from mount failures. This represents an increase from 5% reported in 2022, highlighting the growing safety concern. Popular mechanics experts declare that suction cups are outdated technology and that adhesives represent the future of radar detector mounting. Their analysis shows 65% user satisfaction after switching to reinforced adhesive solutions. Escort's CEO stresses the importance of user education and taking proactive measures to address mount issues. While their mounts are rigorously tested for 100 miles per hour vibrations, Real-world variables like temperature changes and road conditions still require users to implement fixes. The future of radar detector mounting looks promising, with increased adoption of vibration-resistant adhesives. These advanced materials provide stronger, more durable bonds that withstand vehicle vibrations and environmental factors better than current options. Expect to see AI-assisted mount diagnostics built into new detectors. These smart systems will monitor mount stability in real time, alerting drivers to potential failures before they occur and helping eliminate detachment issues altogether. However, environmental regulations may impact the development of new adhesive chemicals. Stricter rules on chemical compositions could slow the introduction of these advanced materials, requiring manufacturers to find compliant alternatives. There's a growing trend of DIY fixes reflecting consumer dissatisfaction with original equipment manufacturer solutions. Users are increasingly turning to homemade or aftermarket fixes to address mounting issues independently. Finally, advancements in wireless and app-controlled detectors will reduce reliance on physical mounts. These systems integrate directly with vehicle infotainment or smartphones, eliminating the need for suction cup attachments entirely.